Hi guys, Curly Susie here from Cape Breton, Nova Scotia. In today's video, I'm going to talk all about deep conditioning your hair.
Yeah.
So guys, I'm going to recommend deep conditioning your hair once a week. And I have been a very bad girl. I haven't been deep conditioning my hair regularly, and it's mainly because I'm lazy. I'm lazy, and the deep conditioner that I was using that I really loved is really expensive, and it was taking me a long time to find an inexpensive option or a DIY that was easy to do, that I enjoyed using, and my hair felt good. But anyway, in today's video, I'm going to go through my top 5 favorite deep conditioners. I'm also going to show you how I apply the deep conditioner, and the deep conditioners I show you are going to be, 2 of them are very inexpensive and 2 of them are DIY. So anyone can use these deep conditioners. For those of you who follow my channel regularly, you know that I like to keep things like super simple. My channel should be called like Curly Girl Method for Dummies or something like that, because I really only use 2 products, 3 at the most, and again, I don't use all the different techniques. I just try to keep it as simple as possible because I want my hair to be as healthy but as effortless as possible. But deep conditioning, I'm going to tell you, you don't need to deep condition your hair to get your curls back and have healthy curly hair. You don't need to do it, but it is an excellent way to supplement your hair routine. There is a YouTuber, her name is Bianca Renee, her channel is called Bianca Renee Today, and right now she is challenging her subscribers to deep condition their hair once a week, and so I'm going to do this myself, and I would like to share everything I'm doing and my results with you guys. The last thing I'm going to say is deep conditioning is really especially good if your hair is color damaged, heat damaged, if your hair is breaking and it's not growing the way you want it to grow, if you have excess frizz or your hair feels hard. Deep conditioning is a way to just keep your hair even softer, more manageable, and to keep your hair strong so that it can grow nice and long. Anyway, here comes the video. Okay guys, so these are the expensive deep conditioners I was talking about. One I loved and one I didn't love. So the one that I loved was this Diva Curl Melt into Moisture Mask. I absolutely loved this. My only complaints are that this is a sample size I'm showing you guys. The regular size that you would purchase is about $36 a tub, and as you can see, I used the entire thing. Like, I loved this. It made my hair feel really soft and healthy. This is the Deep Sea Repair, and you can tell the bottle is pretty much full. The reason I didn't like this is because there's a lot of protein in it, and my hair doesn't like protein. But anyway, these are the first 2 I wanted to mention. And I do recommend the Melt into Moisture Mask if you don't mind spending a little bit extra money on your hair products. But for me, $36 is just not in my budget. So the next one I wanted to mention is by Shea Moisture. It is the Superfruit Complex 10-in-1 Renewal System Hair Mask. This smells amazing, it's Curly Girl approved, and it's only about $13 a tub. Next is the Garnier Fructis Smooth and Treat 1-Minute Mask. This is great to use as a deep conditioner. This was about $6 a tub, and you can find this easily at like Walmart or the drugstore. For my next deep conditioning favorite, I'm going to go to the Curly Girl Handbook. So yes, this is a DIY. I've tried a bunch of the different DIYs in the book. I should do a video on these, but anyway, the one that I really like that I did do several times is called the WRAPUNZEL. See, look, there's another one, ginger and tonic. But anyway, this is the WRAPUNZEL. It is an avocado, honey, and some olive oil or jojoba oil. Then I was thinking, maybe I could make my own. So this is what I've been doing now weekly. I just take any conditioner. This is a conditioner I didn't particularly love. And I added a teaspoon of Jamaican black castor oil. I'm going to leave the exact recipe below, but this is basically what I did. Jamaican black castor oil is great for hair growth and strength. Then I added 2 drops of lavender essential oils. Lavender has a lot of benefits for your hair, and it also smells great. I tend to sit in the bathtub while I'm letting my hair mask soak in, and so I like the lavender. I also used half an avocado and half a banana. And I just put all of this stuff in the blender with the conditioner and then pour it into like a bowl or a cup. That was a good banana. Now I want a banana, like right now. Okay. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I put like a teaspoon of coconut oil in there as well. Why? Don't know, but I know a lot of people use them in their hair masks. So here's the fun part. Here's how I apply it. Look, my hair looks dry. Looks kind of like crap. This is second day hair. So I just take my second day hair. I'm going to go in the shower and wet my hair. You can shampoo your hair if you want at this point, but I don't. I'm just wetting my hair and then I'm going to break it up into sections. I think I use about 6 sections, and I am going to show you how I apply this product. So I just take like, I don't know, a handful, and I'm going to smooth it over my hair. This is just getting the bulk of the product in my hair. I'm not being very strategic because I am going to comb the product through my hair when I'm done. Okay, so then I have like the midsection. And again, just like big globs of conditioner. I'm just going to smooth it through my hair. All right, so I'm still sectioning my hair. I'm not doing this, like I said before, very strategically, but I am going to comb the conditioner through my hair at the end. So I just want to make sure that my hair is completely saturated in the conditioner. I'm just going to dig whatever I have left out of this Tim Hortons cup I have and put it over the roots of my hair, and then continue to work the conditioner into my hair. I know this part of the video is kind of boring, but a lot of you guys have questions at the end of my video, and a lot of it has to do with how I apply the products. So I thought some of you would like to see exactly how I apply my deep conditioner. So then I just grab a wide tooth comb and I comb the conditioner through my hair. I start at the bottom just so that I'm not dragging the comb through the tangled part of my hair, because I want to be as gentle as possible. I really don't want to break any of my hair during this process. The whole point is to keep my hair strong and healthy, and I'm trying to let my hair grow a little bit longer again, so I just don't want to break up my hair. I'm not going to show you guys this whole part of the video just because I think you can get the point here. I'm just going to keep combing my hair until the conditioner is completely combed through my hair. And I'm excited to get to the final result, so I'm going to cut to the next step. All right, so the conditioner is completely combed through my hair, and I am just going to take my hair and put it in a loose bun on top of my head. My hair is completely saturated in conditioner, so I don't need like a pin or a clip or anything like that. It will just kind of stay like that. And then I'm going to find, where did I put it? I'm going to find my saran wrap. It's somewhere around here. There we go. It even has a picture of an avocado on it. Look at that. And I just used 2 pieces. Some people have like the deep conditioning, the shower caps, and you put them in the microwave, but I don't got none of those, so I'm just using saran wrap, and I think it does a great job, and I always seem to have saran wrap in the house. So I use 1 piece, I start around the back and wrap it to the front, and then I use a second piece and I place it on the front and wrap it around to the back. And that's good enough. So I am going to apply heat. For an easy heat source, I'm using my awesome hair dryer, aka Black Beauty. If you guys watch my channel, you've seen her. I'm just going to apply heat for like, I don't know, not even a minute and a half, I don't think. I just want my hair to be warm. And then I'm going to get a warm bath and like relax and shave my legs. And I'm going to set a timer because I want to make sure the conditioner is in my hair for 20 minutes to a half hour. So then when the time is up, I'm going to get in the shower and I'm going to rinse this with warm water. Then I just follow my regular hair routine. So I either co-wash my hair or wash my hair with a sulfate-free shampoo, and then I scrunch my conditioner into my hair, rinse it with cold water, put my gel in my hair right in the shower, plop, then I let my hair air dry, and this is how it turned out, and I just find it feels so much healthier, and I just love it. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and you can give it a thumbs down if you didn't like it. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, and wait, my next video is going to be my giveaway Q&A video. I'm excited for that. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please leave it in the comment section below. I do respond to everyone's comments as soon as I can, and that's what makes this really fun for me. So thanks for watching, and like I said, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.